Hi, my name is Jan, this is my channel Dr. Kübel and I'm making things. In this little video I show you how I made this bench out of beech wood. So let's go for it. I created two versions of this little bench. One is the very classic design of bench posts, and it's very stable and I really like. The second bench I built was more constructed like a table, and I think it looks too heavy for a small bench, so I decided to build a second one. So these were these two benches I built. One, it's a small table, the other one is a classic construction, and it's really stable. But let me give you one advice. If you want to build a bench in this size, .7 it's way too heavy. So if you like what I'm doing, subscribe my channel, hit the bell, leave a thumbs up, give a comment, and we'll see you in the next video. And keep making things. Thanks for watching.